Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can read Excel cells and how to show that records in a message box. So let's get started. But before starting the video, I'm going to show you the record which is already there in Excel file. So you can see this first name Joe, Bobby, Chris, Hiroshi, and last name Samoa, Style, Franco, and Nagasaki. So I'm going to close this, and so this is the project which I have already created. So I'm going to run this. I'm going to show you what is the actual process of this project. So this is the button. If I click this button, the message box will pop up and the record will be shown in that message box. So as you can see, this first name is Joe, last name Samoa, first name Bobby, Styles, Chris, Franco, last name Hiroshi, Nagasaki. So you have seen this guys. I'm now going to close this. Okay, save this and close this project. Yes, and close. So we'll be creating a new project, right? So go here, Visual Studio, so file, new project, C# window form, and okay. Okay, so this is the project, right? So now go to the toolbox first, toolbox, okay, select button and right now give a proper name to this, start process, right? And so guys, you have to add a reference here. So go here, add, go to the com, select Excel 15.0 object library, say okay. Right. Double click to start button. Add here using system dot runtime dot interrupt services and using Excel is equal to Microsoft dot Office dot interrupt dot Excel, right? So now come here, type this piece of code, Excel dot application, Excel app, Excel dot workbook, Excel workbook, excel dot worksheet, right? Excel worksheet and excel dot range, sorry, okay, sorry, excel dot range go here, okay, string str int rcnt, it is row count and it is column count, okay, and row is equal to 0, sorry, rw, and c1 is equal to 0, okay. Now excel app is equal to new excel dot application excel workbook is equal to excel app dot work excel app dot work books, right? And open app. So guys, here it will be a path of our file. So go here, property and detail, sorry, security, yeah, go here, copy this, Control C and double quotes, paste, right? Now 0 true 5 double quotes and true, Microsoft dot Office dot interop dot Excel dot Excel platform, okay, Excel platform and dot Excel window, right? Now after this it will be \t false 0 sorry 2 1 0, right? Now Excel worksheet is equal to Excel dot worksheet Excel workbook dot worksheets dot get underscore item and the parameter type 1 and this. Okay, item capital I. Okay, yeah, capital I, and range is equal to Excel worksheet dot use range, and RW will be range dot rows dot count, and C1 will be C1 is equal to range dot columns dot count. Now type for condition for your row count is equal to 1, or row count smaller than or equal to RW row count plus plus, right? So here will be for, now it will go for column CC int is equal to 1 and CT smaller than equal to C1 CCNT plus plus, and so this, and str is equal to string string small letter string range of cells square bracket CCNT given as Excel dot range dot value, right, plus, okay, this, and range under bracket, so it will go under bracket range dot cells cell RCNT CCNT, right, as Excel dot range and close dot value. Okay, now show this message box dot show, and under this str. Okay, now come here, go here, Excel workbook dot close true null and null Excel app dot quit and function this, and now Marshall dot release com object for Excel worksheet. Okay, now Marshall dot release comma object for Excel workbook, and same will go for Excel app. Well, okay, dot release comma object Excel app variable. So okay guys, now if I run this, and we'll see whether this code is reading the Excel data or not. So you can say this if I start the process. Okay, so it is showing data from the first column of the Excel file. You have seen there first name, last name. Okay, first name. So it is reading basically the record from the first row in the first column. So I'm gonna set it in. We have to set that in for loop. We have given row count value as 1 in for loop, so we have to give 2 as a row, so it will read second row, right? So if you will go here and click 2. Okay, so now if I run this, it will show data correctly. Like it will show first name Joe, then last name Samoa, first name Bobby, last name Styles. We'll see this. Start. Okay. I'll click start process. Okay, now you can see this first name Joe, last name Samoa, first name Bobby, last name Styles, first name Chris, Franco, last name, and first name Hiroshi, last name Nakasai. So you've seen this guys. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.